Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can turn your audio into a child's voice. So here in Premiere Pro I have this AI generated voice.
Baikal holds more water than all the Great Lakes in North America combined.
So here we have a effect name pitch shifter. I will drag and drop it onto the audio, and after that I will click here on edit, and then I will increase the semitones, and after increasing this I will close the panel. And when I will play this audio,
Baikal holds more water than all the Great Lakes in North America combined.
you can adjust these settings according to your audio. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful for you, consider liking, sharing and subscribing our channel.